Okay, so this is a couple of hours after. So first of all, see your posture. Now, how do you feel? Can you stand nice and straight? Just see how you can. How do you feel? Straighter than before, or yeah, you're definitely looking straighter, and then walking. And now that pain that you used to get before, how does that feel?
Nowhere near as bad.
Yeah, good.
I think it's just
A little bit
the
residual.
amount of time that the pain's been there. I'm just a little bit.
Yeah, but no pain kind of much in your back at all? No.
Just the general area of the.
Yeah.
The
Good.
That's
Considering only an hour and a half,
Yeah.
2 hours since operation, really good going. Fantastic. Excellent. And the strength feels all right. You can. Well done. Perfect. Good news.